Hello and welcome to Driver Training Limited. Today we will explain how to deal with yellow box junctions in your driving lessons. A yellow box junction is designed to keep a junction clear, so you can't enter it unless you can get out of it. If you do and you get caught on camera, the fine is £70 or £130 if you're in London. The only time you can enter the box junction if you can't get out is when you're turning right and are waiting for oncoming traffic to pass. However, if there's stationary traffic on the right, you again cannot enter the yellow box junction. Thanks for joining us at Driver Training Limited. My name is Chris and we'll see you again soon.